In this video, you'll learn how to have basic telephone conversations in English. We'll cover essential phrases and responses for various scenarios, including making appointments, inquiries, and casual chats. Practice along and improve your English speaking skills. Making an appointment.
Good morning, Dr. Green's office. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Green, please.
Sure. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Ryan Thompson.
All right, Ryan. When would you like to come in?
Do you have any openings this Friday?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. You're all set for Friday at 2 p.m. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
Inquiring about a product.
Hello, thank you for calling the gadget store. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm interested in the new smartphone that was just released. Do you have it in stock?
Yes, we do. Which model are you looking for?
The iPhone 16 Pro model.
We have the iPhone 16 Pro in stock. Would you like to reserve one?
Yes, please. Can I pick it up later today?
Absolutely. I'll reserve one for you. May I have your name and contact number?
Sure, it's Ryan Thompson, and my number is 5559876.
Thank you, Ryan. Your iPhone 16 Pro will be ready for pickup today. See you soon.
Thank you. See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Casual chat.
Hello?
Hi, it's Ryan. How are you?
Hey, Ryan. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Just wanted to catch up. What are you up to this weekend?
Not much, just relaxing at home. How about you?
I'm thinking of going to the beach. Want to join?
That sounds fun. Sure, count me in.
Great. Let's meet at 10 a.m. on Saturday.
Perfect. See you then.
See you. Bye.
Wrong number.
Hello, is this Mike?
I'm sorry. You have the wrong number.
Oh, I apologize. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Ordering food.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Bella's Pizzeria. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a large pepperoni pizza for delivery, please.
Sure thing. Can I have your address?
It's Oxford Street, apartment 4B.
Got it. Anything else for you?
That's all. How long will it take?
Your order will be ready in about 30 minutes. The total is $15.99. You can pay online on our website or to our delivery person.
I'll pay to the delivery person, please.
Great! Our delivery person will collect the payment when they arrive.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Making a reservation.
Good evening, the Bluefin Grill. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner tomorrow night.
Certainly. How many people will be in your party?
There will be 4 of us.
What time would you like to come in?
Around 7 p.m., if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at 7 p.m. Can I have your name?
It's Ryan Thompson.
Thank you, Mr. Ryan. We have you down for 7 p.m. tomorrow. We look forward to seeing you.
Thank you. See you then.
Goodbye.
Checking on a delivery.
Hello, this is FedEx. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to check the status of my package. The tracking number is 789456123.
Sure, let me look that up for you. It looks like your package is currently in transit and should arrive by tomorrow evening.
Great, thank you for the update.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Confirming a meeting.
Hello, Mr. Anderson's office. How can I assist you?
Hi, this is Ryan from Wilson Tech. I'm calling to confirm our meeting with Mr. Anderson tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Yes, I see that on his schedule. The meeting is confirmed for 3 p.m. Will you be joining us in person or via video call?
We'll be joining via video call.
Great. I'll send you the link for the video call shortly.
Thank you. See you then.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Reporting an issue.
Hello, IT support. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm having trouble with my internet connection. It keeps dropping out.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's troubleshoot the issue. Have you tried restarting your router?
Yes, I have, but it didn't help.
Okay, let me run a diagnostic on our end. It looks like there's an issue with the line. I'll send a technician to your location to fix it.
Thank you. When can they come?
We have an available slot tomorrow between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. The technician will be there tomorrow morning. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Goodbye.
Booking a flight.
Good afternoon, Skyline Travels. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I need to book a flight from New York to Los Angeles for next week.
Sure. When would you like to depart?
I'd like to leave on Monday morning.
We have a flight at 8 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. How much is the ticket?
The ticket is $350. Would you like to proceed with the booking?
Yes, please. My name is Ryan Thompson.
Thank you, Ryan. Your flight is booked for 8 a.m. on Monday. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly.
Great, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Calling a friend to hang out.
Hello?
Hey, it's Mike. What are you up to?
Not much, just watching TV. What's up?
I was thinking of going to the new cafe downtown. Want to join?
Sure, sounds fun. When do you want to go?
How about in an hour?
Works for me. See you there.
Cool. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Calling for directions.
Hi, can you help me with directions to your store?
Of course. Where are you coming from?
I'm on Elm Street, near the community center.
Okay, from the community center, head south on Elm Street for about 2 blocks. You'll see us on the right, next to the bakery.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Calling for medical advice.
Hello, St. Mary's Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm feeling really sick, and I'm not sure what to do.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms?
I have a high fever, a bad headache, and I've been feeling very weak.
Have you taken any medication?
I took some ibuprofen, but it hasn't helped much.
I recommend you come in to see a doctor as soon as possible. We have an open slot this afternoon at 2 p.m. Can you make it?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
We'll see you at 2 p.m. then. Take care.
Thank you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Practice these dialogues to improve your English fluency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get started on your journey to learning English.